Yeah, thank you. So recording will be now start. Now see what happened. This all the cells we can put as a cell. Okay, we can create a cell, and here I can place one queen and others part are zero. Others part are zero. Suppose this is the initial phase we can consider. This is the initial phase we said we can consider the first part, the first column, and the first row, the place where we can put the queen. So after that, we have to write a code. So how to write? So we can take a is attack. So I can take a simple one is attack one function of I comma j comma the board whatever I'm taking and numbers of in whatever I'm going to place is attack I comma j board and numbers of in we are going to place one by one, and we can calculate that. So how can place this one? So I can take a we can check a column j by changing k from 1 to I minus 1. Then we can put board. So here I can take a board. So board I can take k comma j. Okay, so for the condition checking, so for that purpose, so k will be start from 1 to I minus 1, and then if board equal to it, then return to true. So what I am writing, so I'm going to write for these are the functions for k in 1 to I minus 1, and if board, that means the value I'm going to check, board of k value of j is equal to 1, then return true. Then return true. This one. Okay, then return true. Okay, so we now you have to check the diagonal element also. So I have to check this diagonal element one by one. So I have to check this diagonal elements one time, then I have to check this element this side, and you have to check this element row side and column wise one by one. So if you want to check the diagonal element, then row below the row as also empty, so need to check for all the diagonal elements which having row I. So what we have to going to perform, so this one will be happened. So this cell, what is the condition of this cell? I minus 1 comma j. Okay, sorry, j plus 1 whatever, j plus 1. And suppose this cell, whatever the value of this cell, suppose I am going to place anywhere, so this value are I comma j anywhere. So I am putting k is equal to I minus 1, and I am putting one, taking the one variable, taking the length L is equal to j plus 1, and we am checking while k greater than equal to 1 and L value less than equal to n, that means number of pin, then if I'm going to check the board of k comma L is equal to 1, then return true. Okay, and after this I'm going to decrease the k value k minus 1, and I'm to increase the position of this one L plus 1. Okay, so also we have reduced the both side of I and j cell one by one will traverse the left diagonal element above the I element. Okay, so we also this one, so I have to check this one, I have to check this one, I have to check this one. So we have to traverse, that means the back, we have to go for here, then we are going to go here. So one minus and one plus, one by one. Okay, so if you know how to search in the matrix program, then it's very easy to understand. Is it clear? Only 9 people are there. Okay, so basically we have to perform this one operation, so one by one. So now check how to write all this combined way. So there is an attack possible inside the n queen, so we can write the entire code like this one is attack I comma j comma board comma n. Okay, now I am going to checking the J column. Okay, J column. So for this one, I am writing for K in. Okay, so K in whatever I am writing from J from K in L to I minus 1. Okay, I minus 1. And if board of K into J is equal to 1, then return true. Then return. Okay. Now I'm going to check this one, the upper diagonal. Here, what I'm going to do here, this one for checking in the column G. Okay. Now the next line I'm going to write I equal to I minus 1, K equal to I minus 1, and length equal to J plus 1. And here I'm going to check while K greater than equal to 1 and L should be less than equal to N, then same process I can repeat. Then I'm writing board of K comma L is equal to 1, then return true. Then return true. And again I'm going to increase the K value by 1, and again I'm going to increase the L value by 1. So for this one, why I am writing for this one from here to here, so upper right diagonal, upper right diagonal. So for I am writing here for the upper right diagonal for this code. Okay, for checking the position of all these, the two point is, so these two pins are interact to each other or not. Okay, then this is the upper right diagonal, so I have to check the leftmost diagonal also. So we have to decrease that value. Okay, so I have to now here we can change here positions. Okay, now so what I'm going to write. So K equal to again I minus 1 and L equal to J minus 1. Now this is the upper, so I can put J plus 1. This is the lower, J minus 1. Okay, and same process we have to follow. So I'm writing right while K is greater than equal to 1 and L is greater than equal to 1, then if board of K comma L is equal to 1, then return true. Then K equal to K minus 1, then L equal to L minus 1. Okay, and this will be happen, then return false. So this will happen, then return false. So for this one I am writing upper left diagonal. Upper left diagonal. Okay, upper left diagonal, so return now. So our function will be take row, number of pin, and size of board and board itself. So our function we have to pass. So what we have to pass? Numbers of row, numbers of board. Okay, numbers of board and numbers of pin. Okay, so function what I am passing, suppose, so this one is a passing. So if numbers of pin is 0, then we have already placed all the pin. That is also possibility. So we can write like this one: if a is equal to 0, then return true. Then return true. If all no one key will be placed, then all are return true. Okay. So otherwise, we can iterate each and each place where we have to follow. So where there is a time will be possible, so we have to check. So I'm writing this code for can start J in 1 to n, 1 to n, and if is not equal to is attack, is not equal to attack, then we have to pass row, comma j, comma board, comma n. So we'll again check, and again it will be return the board. Is it not equal to attack, then it will be return this one. So if this condition is a false, then return this one. If condition is a this condition is true, so this condition is true, so return this one. If this condition is a false, then go for there. Okay, here. And it can check each and every cell, like a upper diagonal, lower diagonal, and the column of J. So after placing the queen in the cell, we have to check we are able to place the next queen with the arrangement or not. So if I can place the first queen, so I have to check the possibility of the next queen. Same process. So how can I follow this one? So again, I'm writing for J in 1 to n, that is the number of queen, and I'm writing if n queen, and creating a row plus 1, I have to increase this row, and n minus 1, and n and board is as it is, no problem. Then return true, and we have to put board row and j equal to 0. Okay, so we have to press 0. So whatever I am writing this line, if n queen row plus 1, n minus 1 n board, we are placing the rest of queen with the correct arrangement. Also, row up the row occupied, and we'll start from row plus 1. So that's why I am writing row. Suppose this row is occupied, so I can start from this one. Okay, so this way we have to follow. So leaving the current value equal to 0, that means we cannot place at the queen, and we can go for the backtracking each and every time. Okay, so this way we have to write this code one by one. So this one code for writing backtracking. Okay. So that is the simplest way to check the position where we can place our queen or not. Okay. So suppose if I can start, suppose I can take a 5 cross 5 board. That is a possibility, up to you. You can take 5 by 5 cross board, 4 cross 4 cross board, 2 cross 2. Okay. Suppose I am taking 2 cross 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 cross 2. So where is the place? Only one queen I can able to place. Other place you cannot place. So this is the one queen. If this is the also possibility, if this all the place where is not cross, so it will be 0, 0. Or otherwise this will be look like this one. This is the 1, other part is 0, 0. So that means one queen place here already, no one queen will place, but this return true. This is also possibility. Okay. So we have to check. Now in n queen problem, what is the condition we have to check? First we have to check. So that is the key point. Checking the column second we have to check upper right diagonal, then we have to check upper left diagonal, upper left diagonal, then we have to check, so this one. Okay, these things we have to check: column, right diagonal, and left diagonal. And we cannot check this one for the row because we already placed that pin. Okay, so no need to be checked row. Only we have to check column, right diagonal, and left. Okay. So these things we have to write and to understand. Only 10 people is there, okay? Including me 10, only 9 people are there, okay? So before writing the NQ problem, first go for the matrix multiplication, matrix movement, whatever you can, how can we perform the addition and multiplication, how can frame the table, then this NQ problem is very easy to understand. So that's why in the starting of the BTech, we are teaching you matrix multiplication, table making, addition, subtraction. So these things are interlinked to each others. Okay. Therefore, matrix multiplication is don't know. That's very difficult to understand and write the NQ problem. Okay. So you can try this code by yourself, if possible. If possible. Okay. So for today class from 1 to 2, that is a very important class for you. Do not miss it, because whatever I'm going to discuss in that class, maximum chances they will we are going to ask in the mid-sem. Okay. So be present. For this week, we have to alert during the class hour, basically theory class hour I'm talking about, because most of the time I'm going to discuss about the questions, what type of questions are coming inside the mid-sem, and I'm putting the hints. So that is the plus point for you to attending the class. For this week, don't miss any classes like a theory classes, okay? So Vivek, you can send me the attendance, okay?
सर सिर्फ 10 ही लोग हैं, आप यहीं पे अटेंडेंस ले लेना.
ओके. सो अदर्स पीपल, हाँ, आप लोग इसमें मैसेज कर दो सब चैट बॉक्स में विवेक. मैक्सिमम तो एब्सेंट ही है. हाँ. Everyone can put your registration number in the chat box, so I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 people out of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 now. And rest 3, where are you? Just Vivek, Ria, Nancy, Yash, Subham, Pranshu, and others. Chand, not interested in attendance. Chand, Orti, okay. So Amy right now join. Okay. So try yourself. Yeah, Chan. Thank you. Try to do. Then if you then we can end your session around 10:25. Please wait 10 and 15 minutes. Then I can leave you. Okay. And please present all the students in the classroom, like a theory classroom session. Okay, that is important. So those who are present here, any doubt regarding A star, OS star, any traversal problem, like a problem to find out the graph? Because the next week your mid-sem is there, na? I think, I hope. Yeah, next week. So 18th of August, your AI paper, 7:30 to 8:30. Yes or no? Vivek? Vivek, are you there?
Yes, I am here only.
Okay, so next week, 18th of August, your AI paper.
Yes, probably. I have not seen the timetable actually.
Arey, Vivek, what are you doing, man? You are the 7th semester student. Okay, so you can check your time and all the things. And some questions may be related to the theory class. Theory, that means that you have to write a theory. So more focus on unit 1. That means what is the history of AI, like that type of questions. Maybe possibility they will ask. So be careful. Okay. So at least if you try to write that type of questions, suppose you are not interested to solve numerical type questions, so that is a possibility they can put theory based question. That means a student can able to score. Okay. So for that type of questions, if you are try to attempt that, so for that purpose we have to maintain your theoretical knowledge also, like what is the phase of development of AI, how AI history look like from the starting to till now death, uh, so these type of questions may be possibility from the unit 1. And some questions they will best ask you on the based upon the logic, and some questions we already discussed inside the classroom. Most of the questions we can discuss inside the classroom. So basically point is that we have to write a questions through an example. Okay, so through example. So don't go through the questions. Suppose you are writing a test here and the question, suppose after complete checking of your question answer paper, then do not go for the matching of the questions. Okay, so whatever you're writing, that is correct, but write relevant things, not go for the answer whatever uploading that one. Is it clear? वहां पर आंसर क्या अपलोड है उससे कोई मतलब नहीं होना चाहिए आपको। आपने जो लिखा है वो कंटेंट शुड बी रिलेटेड टू द क्वेश्चन, ये मायने रखता है। ओके, वहां पे आंसर सपोज आपने किसी ने अदर्स फैकल्टी कैन अपलोड ऑन द दैट ओन चॉइस, उन्होंने कैसे सोच के किया वो मैटर नहीं करता, आपने क्या लिखा वो मैटर करता है। वी कैन ट्रीट एज अ योर क्वेश्चन इज द आंसर इज द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट। इज इट क्लियर? ठीक है, तो आंसर्स पे आपको जाना नहीं है, अपने आंसर्स पे जाना है आपको, तो उसी बेसिस पे आपको मार्क्स मिलेंगे। So those who are left out, they recently joined this session. Please mention your registration number in the chat box. That is mandatory. Yeah, Amy already operated. Okay.